What's up guys? The topic I'll introduce today is the Scroll Airdrop. Scroll has received approximately $80 million in investments and has gained attention for receiving the endorsement of Ethereum's founder Vitalik Buterin. In today's video, rather than providing detailed information about the project, I'll explain what needs to be done to prepare for a successful airdrop. If you follow the steps outlined in this video, I am confident that you will meet the criteria for the airdrop. Essentially, when it comes to tasks that involve leaving transactions, there are criteria we must pay attention to. These are 1. Bridge volume, 2. Swap volume, 3. Number of transactions, 4. Wallet activation days, and 5. Final transaction date. Although I've explained this in a previous video, I'll explain it again so that even complete beginners can follow along. If you're already familiar with cryptocurrencies, you may skip this part. The dApps for the tasks I'm explaining in the video are listed in the video description. We'll aim to diversify transactions using a variety of dApps and increase volume through repetitive tasks. Additionally, by consistently using these dApps, we'll increase the overall transaction count. Once you understand these basic principles, feel free to proceed with the tasks in any order and frequency you prefer. I'll provide detailed instructions on how to use the dApps later on. Our goal is to achieve a minimum bridge volume of over $10,000 using various bridges. For example, if I bridge $1,000 from the Scroll network to the Arbitrum network, my volume would be $1,000. Repeat bridging transactions to reach a minimum bridge volume of over $10,000. When bridging, ensure to set the network you want to send funds from and the network you want to receive funds on. Please refer to the following instructions for bridging. Just so you know, I highly recommend that you use the official bridge at least once. I understand that Ethereum network's gas fees can be burdensome. However, I believe that leaving a trace of using the official bridge is very important. Even if it's just once, please make sure to leave a usage record. What you need to do is very simple. First, as we always do, make sure your wallet is properly connected. The network should be set to the chain you want to send funds to. Next, confirm that both the network you want to send funds from and the network you want to receive funds on are correctly set up. Finally, all you have to do is decide the amount of funds you want to send. That's it. Now that we've created the bridge volume, it's time to create swap volume. For swaps, it must be done strictly on the Scroll network. You can use any dApp for this purpose. For example, if you swap 1K worth of Ethereum for USDC, your swap volume would be $1,000. We recommend using multiple dApps and repeatedly swapping to create a swap volume of at least $10,000. Please refer to the following instructions for the swap operation. This time, we'll be diversifying transactions. We'll be using various dApps on the Scroll network while creating transactions other than just bridge and swap transactions. In the following dApp, you can create a Scroll name service similar to ENS, find the desired domain and register it. At Merkley, you can mint NFTs and create bridge transactions. Mint your NFTs on the Scroll network and bridge them to your desired chain. At Dmail, you can send emails using gas fees from the Scroll network. Send an email to the desired email address. Here, you can easily generate various transactions. After maximizing contract interactions, simply click the Execute button to easily initiate multiple transactions. Lastly, Dapp is a recently launched quest platform. By completing scroll quests, you can naturally generate transactions and even earn Dapp points. I have seen various airdrops throughout my experience in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. If you work with the dApps I explained in today's video, I am confident that you will meet the airdrop criteria and receive the airdrop. I myself am working in a similar manner. My goal is to embark on the path to financial freedom along with my subscribers. I hope you join me on my journey. If today's video was helpful, please subscribe and like. Thank you.